When performance matters, details matter. At MVE Group, our solar service team uses drone thermography to scan entire arrays, finding hotspots, string imbalances, and hidden defects before they become downtime. We pair visual and thermal inspection across DC components, modules, connectors, combiners, and rapid shutdown devices to spot loose terminations and heat-driven failure risks. We do the same on the AC side: inverters, switchgear, disconnects, and terminations, so you get a complete picture, not just a snapshot. For electrical proof, we run IV curve tracing to validate each string against expected performance and isolate underproducing circuits. We verify insulation health with megger, insulation resistance, testing to catch moisture ingress, damaged cables, and failing junctions early. Then we move fast, troubleshooting and repair by trained technicians who combine instrumentation with experience, so issues are fixed right the first time. Every visit ends with detailed analysis and reporting, thermal imagery, test results, root cause notes, and prioritized corrective actions for clear decisions and warranty support. From aerial scans to hands-on fixes, MVE Group keeps your solar investment safe, compliant, and producing.